Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you for all the feedback from the last episode. Today I'm gonna show you the Hello Kitty Gundam that I built from before, and I'll be building the new chart Zaku Kitty and comparing the different ST frames. I was never a fan of Hello Kitty, but when this first came out, I thought it was so cute. So let's look at my first Hello Kitty Gundam. It looks slightly taller than a regular X standard because it was built on a CS frame. One good thing about CS frame is that it has more articulation and the arms and legs could bend way more than SD. So the next Hello Kitty Gundam is the new Kitty. I hate the masking part, but it came out really nice at the end. If you look at the picture on the right, that's the first version of the new Kitty. I posted on Instagram and someone told me that the color was off. So this is the final version. Let me know which one you think is better. These Zaku kitties both come with regular SD frame, and I've decided to build this pink one with CS frame instead. I think it looks a lot cuter in matte color. Which one do you like, the shorter glossy one or taller matte color? A lot of you ask me how do I get my Hello Kitty head to fit onto another SD body. If you don't change or modify anything, it won't fit because the head is too big, the neck piece is not compatible, and the shoulders do not give enough space. So that's why this original kit gives another neck piece and another set of shoulders with more spacing. One thing I like about the Hello Kitty is the runners. The shape of the Hello Kitty head and the bow. All the gates are rounded off at the end, and I think it's intended to made for non-Gunpla builders who can easily remove them without tools. I hope Bandai would do more collaborations with other cute characters in the future. If you like my video today, click on the like button and subscribe. Check out my Instagram for more Hello Kitty pictures. Thank you for watching.